When it comes to unlocking all the benefits of the cloud, you don't want identity and access management to get in the way. Users from your company can use their existing accounts to access your company's Google Cloud environment by signing in with their credentials, and you can manage which permissions these users have with Identity and Access Management, or IAM for short. But when users who use a different identity provider need access, things aren't so simple. Using an external identity provider can make getting access complicated and get in the way of doing the work that really matters. So how can you provide your employees, partners, contractors, and everyone else with a secure way to access your environment and resources? Workforce Identity Federation lets you use an external identity provider to directly authenticate users into your Google Cloud environment. Now, you have even more control for how users can sign into and access Google Cloud services. With Workforce Identity Federation, you don't need to synchronize user identities from your existing identity provider into Google Cloud. Instead, users will be able to authenticate with their existing credentials in a single sign-on flow. Let's take a closer look at how it works. First, the user can sign in through a typical login flow. This can include the interface offered by your identity provider, the interface from your service provider, such as Google Cloud, or by using the APIs or command line interface. All of these will use your identity provider's information to authenticate the user and will return a response validating the user. Then, the valid response is sent to Workforce Identity Federation, where the token is validated against the rules that you've set up. A new Google Cloud token will be generated that contains the authorization for this user. Finally, the user can be redirected to the console using the new login token. Now you've ensured that only legitimate users have access to authorized resources with a frictionless sign-on experience, and you don't need to manage syncing up identities between providers. In order for a user to sign in with Workforce Identity Federation, you'll first need to set it up for your Google Cloud organization. This setup process involves 2 steps. First, you'll need to set up one or more workforce pools. These pools let you manage and group together users and control their access to your Google Cloud environment. You can customize the identity and access management permissions for each pool, so you can follow the best practice of least privilege and ensure that users only have the permissions they need. In addition to setting IAM permissions for an entire pool, you can also set permissions for individual users or subgroups of a pool based on attributes from your identity provider. Once you've created your workforce pools, you'll need to create a workforce identity pool provider for each pool. These pool providers store the information for your identity provider, as well as the mapping for attributes. You can also customize how attributes are mapped from your identity provider, so you only need to include the necessary details and protect your users' data. Pools can be mapped to a group of users using these attributes, such as separating employees from partners. With a workforce pool and workforce pool provider set up, users can seamlessly sign in and access your Google Cloud resources. To learn more about how Workforce Identity Federation can help you manage access to your Google Cloud environment, check out the documentation and try it out for yourself.